Today we have something brand new. Yes, we have the Harrods Hair and Body Advent Calendar. This is their first year doing a small hair and body calendar. It's 12 days. By our calculations, each day is worth $9.25. And I think some of the boxes have double items. So let's get looking and see what we've got. Oh yes. First up is a shampoo, a dry shampoo from Dry Bar. Exciting to see it. I am noticing on the back, the labels are kind of lopsided. I wonder if that's how this wound up in the calendar. Things with lopsided labels. Anyway, happy to give it a try. Invisible Dry Shampoo from Dry Bar. It also came with a coupon for a free, I guess, blowout, but that is only good in the UK. So we can't use that one, not unless we want to throw rings and fly, but glad to have this one. There is a body spray from Sol Janeiro. Brazilian Crush number 68. Jasmine and Pink Dragon Fruit. I'm going to have to give this a try. I've been a little miffed with them since they got rid of my favorite one, the one that came in the turquoise container. I've been a little miffed with them, so I'm going to have to get back in the swing of things and give this a try. Oh, me too. How about you? There is a double door with a shampoo and a conditioner. I always like it when they give us a shampoo and a conditioner together. That's always a nice touch. I will say I can tell by the scent, this has a woodsy scent, so it's not my style, but might be somebody else's. And I've never tried this brand before, so it might be worth giving it a try. This is a volumizing shampoo and conditioner, and the spelling, as I understand it, it is pronounced shampoo, but it's with a CH. We have another double door, or as we have heard it said on some other channels, a double bubble. This is from Way, and we get the scalp and body scrub. And we also get a leave-in conditioner. Definitely excited for these, not only to give them a try, because I don't think I've tried this product before, but I have battles on my channel. Yes, we do. And so these will probably show up there eventually. Oh, yes, they will. And for $9.25 a day, not bad. These are smaller. The conditioner is 25 milliliters and the scrub is somewhere that I can't read it. These are decent sample sizes or deluxe sample sizes. I'm pleased so far. How about you? This is from Olaplex. It is from number 3. Anne tried Olaplex last year, and they weren't the best of friends, so this is probably going to get passed along. And this is something I've not heard of before. Jisoo? Not heard of this brand. Then again, this is coming from across the pond. They have different brands. This is the honey-infused hair perfume. This could be exciting. Yeah, I don't want to be smelling from stem to stern, but if it's something that you can put on the ends to maybe help them have a little shine, I'm not opposed to that concept. We are halfway through the box, and Anne has chosen her 2 favorite items. I would pick the body spray and the body scrub. How about you? What would you pick? Did you get this one? Let us know down below, because I'm the nosy camel. And now, moving right along with this video, In our excitement of unboxing the calendar, we forgot to show this item from Christoph Robin. It is a hair mask, and we are excited to receive it and to be able to give it a try. Next up is a hair claw clip. It's nice enough. There's the pattern. Nice enough, yet there had to be a filler item. I knew there was going to have to be a filler item. Yet, in a calendar that costs $111, you think they could have done something other than a filler item. On the other hand, I can put this to good use. Sol de Janeiro is definitely prominent in this calendar. Yes, this is the second one of their products in here. This one is in their original form. Again, is not my favorite, but we shall see. I might keep, or holidays are coming, I might gift this one. We shall see. This is the traditional one, fragrance number 62, caffeine rich. Originally, I do believe this was designed for use on your bum to help get rid of cellulite or firm things up back there. Oh, how interesting. My back there is just fine. Well, it is. One of my favorite products. Oh, she does love her color row. I'm getting a hairspray, and I've not had this before, so I look forwards to giving this a try. It says that it is firm and flexible hairspray, super fast drying, strong hold, won't distort color. And it is 1.5 ounces, if I read that correctly. From Living Proof, we have a hair product that's supposed to strengthen. Is that what the box says? Yes, the box says Hair Strengthener Living Proof Triple Bond Complex. Interesting. Well, it's a hair and body calendar, so they're loading us up. That they are. Next up is in the shade 808 Kylie, and it is a tinted lip balm butter. And from what we understand via the grapevine, don't roll this up farther than you intend to use it because it won't roll back down. That's interesting to know. Yeah, I thought so too. And the final day comes down to another hair serum. This one is by that brand Shampoo. Probably butchered that one up. It is a formulation to thicken, volumize, and strengthen your hair. And again, I can tell by the scent without even opening the product itself. It's a little woodsy for my preference, so this will probably be a gift down the line. But it is nice that they gave a good variety in this calendar. Yes, I think there is a good variety of hair and body, which is what it's designed for. The calendar was $111, and I think, did we have to pay shipping or did we have to pay tax? Let me take a quick look. We had to pay tax and shipping. So together, calendar and everything, we paid $150. And the value is stated to be 310 pounds. So when you convert that over to US, that comes out to be $394. And as we said earlier, each day was $9.25, which is nice because some of the days you got 2 items. Exactly. So all things considered, I'm pleased with the calendar overall. I think my favorite two items from the second half would be the Kylie Lip Balm and the Color Wow. What did you see that you liked? Let us know down below, because I'm a curious camel. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. We're doing lots of fun things this Advent season. Oh yeah, you don't want to miss out. We hope to see you in another video. Catch you later, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you soon.